Today we're going to learn how to make an origami letter fold. So, an origami envelope. If you don't have a square sheet of paper, you can get one by taking a regular sheet, folding it nice and even, nice point here. You want it as even as possible so you can get a nice perfect square sheet of paper. You want to take, and if you're a child doing this, get an adult or somebody that can use large scissors or scissors, and you want to cut. You want to cut that off. And then when you're done cutting that off, you'll have a square sheet of paper. Now, today we're going to learn how to make an origami envelope. So first, we're going to fold it up, but we're not going to crease it all the way. We're going to fold it and make a center crease. Then you want to fold it the other way and make another center crease. See, now we got an X. Then you want to take the left and right side, fold it to that center point you just made. Whoops. Whoops. Fold it right over to that center point you just made. Okay. Then you're going to take the top and you're going to fold it, but you're not going to crease it fully. You just want to crease lightly in the center. Or you just want to crease it lightly, sorry. Just want a light crease. Unfold that last one. Now you're going to want to take and fold the bottom up to that crease mark. And then you want to crease it like that. And you want to fold it back down. Unfold it. And now you're going to take and fold the right edge of the bottom section inward, aligning it with the crease you just made. So we're going to do it like this, and you align this edge here with that crease there. So we're going to go nice and evenly, just like that. Just make sure it's nice and even. Okay, just like that. And then you want to unfold it, and then you want to do the same with the other side. Line it right up. Then you're going to want to unfold that. Then you want to take it and you want to fold this up to that crease you made. Like that. And then you want to take and refold the lower right section. The top right point of the X aligns with the top left corner of the flap on top. So it should go like that. It should align with that X mark that you made. See, just like that. So open out the lower section and make a new mountain fold from the central flap. Fold the right section underneath the central flap. So open out the lower section. Oh, come on. There we go. So that should go like that. And that should go like that. So just like that. Okay. So you push it underneath, and you want it like that. Okay. And now you want to refold this lower section back up. Now when you refold this back up, like so, you're going to want to take this left and right flaps. They go right inside. And then, there you go. You have your envelope that's completed. Yep, and there you go. It's all done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a good one.